Hello, hello. This is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com. We've got lots of freebies down below in the links. And this is the Bible Journal Love Etsy shop. And someone had a little trouble getting her files, and I'm just going to walk you through this really quickly. She bought the Parables Jesus Told kit, which we have a free class for. Once you add this to your cart and pay for it and check out, it will be in your receipt. I can't show you because I can't buy my own stuff, but you can go to your icon in your Etsy shop and go to Purchases and Reviews, and you will see it there, and you will be able to download it from there. There's a little download button similar to this one, and it says Digital Download 1 PDF. Now, this is important. You have to be logged into Etsy with the name you purchased the product with. If you're in another account, you won't be able to see the download, so make sure you're in the proper account. You should see a download button after you click Purchases. So then after you've gone to your purchases and you've downloaded the PDF, you will have something that looks like this. All you have to do is click on that download link. And now you have several files. There's a README file here that when you open will tell you that if you only want to print on sticker paper or copy paper from your computer, that you will only need the PDFs. But if you want to Bible journal digitally in Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, Photopedia, or another image editing software, you will need the zip files. The zip files are here underneath Digital Pings in Zip Files. You can click this on and then click on, there's usually a open or download button in the right hand corner. Mine's right here, download. And it will download all of them. Or you can open the file and you can download one at a time if you prefer. But these have all of your elements inside. Or you can just get the PDF printables, which are here, and you can see, if you watch this little thumbnail, if you click on that button, it'll open a thumbnail and it will show you which ones are there. And this is there for you. It will stay there and you can re-download it later if you need to. So if you click on all of them, they all show here, and you just click on the download button. Once you download a zip file, 90% of computers will unzip it by just double-clicking it on. And then here's an example where the ping files are already there. If you don't have an unzipping program because you have an older computer, you'll have to go to something like 7-Zip and download it to have an unzipping program. But if you bought your computer in the last 5 years, it'll probably unzip by itself. Now these are openable by going and clicking on the right hand and open with, and open it where you want to in Photoshop or whatever. Or now if you want to open this in Photopedia, you would open Photopedia in your browser, then open your Finder next to it, and you can either leave both open and drag and drop images into Photopedia, and they will open right up in Photopedia, and then you can drag and drop your images right on there and move them around from your desktop. Or, I'll show you another way. So that's just one example. Or you can go to File. If you did Open, if you want, that would open a new window. But if you do Open in Place, you would scroll to where your images are and then find the image you want and place it, and then resize it, etc. And there's already a video online where I show you how to make a Dex card. This is another Dex card, and where you can how to type words in and whatnot. So that's another video. This video is just to show you what you need to do to unzip your program. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye for now. If you have any questions, just go to Bible Journal Love Facebook group and I will answer them there. Bye-bye.